All right, here we have wheat bread. Now this is, again, something you've probably heard is good for you, and 100% whole wheat is good for you, but this is split top wheat, and split top wheat and honey wheat and other variations of that are a marketing trick to make you think it's healthier for you than it is. So if you look at the list of ingredients on this, it probably has 40 to 50 ingredients, including hydrogenated oils and corn syrup. So, and then you look at the fiber, less than 1 gram of fiber in a slice of this. The calories are 80 calories, which is not bad, but when I go back again, I'm going to repeat and say that not all calories are created equal. So this bread gets the boot. This is my favorite bread. It's actually gluten-free. It's made with flax seeds. It has 3 grams of fiber per slice, and the ingredients, it only has about 5 ingredients. But it's all made from organic sprouted wheat, filtered water, barley, so they're all natural ingredients that are going to work really well with your body. You're going to store less fat. The calories are the same, so don't look at the calories and the fat when it comes to things like this, because they're going to look the same as something as split top wheat. What I want you to start looking for is the ingredients, the amount of ingredients, and the fiber content. Of course you can look at the calories too, but you know, with things like this, it's too close to tell. So Ezekiel bread or 100% whole wheat bread.